Whatever you may pay for your business insurance as a garage owner, there are probably two things in the back of your mind that come up when you think about business insurance. The first one is, am I overpaying? Is there a better deal out there? And the second one is, do I have the right coverage? And I would bet that while every garage owner wants to save money, they are more concerned about whether they have the right protection or not. And for a lot of repair shop owners, the thing that keeps them up at night is, do I have the right coverage if disaster strikes and destroys my livelihood? After all, saving 5 or 10% or even more on your insurance may be nice, but are you one claim away from losing everything? Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle, and for over 40 plus years in the insurance business, I have seen the gaps, the shortfalls, and the unnecessary mistakes made when it comes to garages. In this video, I'll give you my common sense approach to business insurance, and if you'd like to speak further about it, we'd love to hear from you. Okay, so what happens most frequently is that you've had your business insurance for years and it renews year in and year out. You pay the bill and you really don't give it a second thought. But deep down inside, you're not 100% sure it's right or as good as you think it is. Maybe you're afraid to ask questions because you don't want to get oversold by your broker or pay way more, or you just don't want to sound like you don't know what you're talking about. Or this common thing is, I'll get to it later when I'm not so busy. But here's the thing. No one really knows everything there is to know about insurance. It's wildly complex. So asking questions shouldn't make you feel timid or intimidated. And that I'll get to it later, well, you know that never happens. And let's be honest, who really wants to take time from your busy day to talk about insurance? I get it. Being educated about what you could do to improve your coverage shouldn't break the bank, and it also shouldn't intimidate you. If you don't want to spend more to boost up your coverages, you can always say, thanks for the info, but I'll pass on that for now. This sort of no man's land in between knowing and not knowing is what we call a confidence gap, and it's a dangerous place to land as a business owner. The bottom line is that business insurance is meant to protect your most valuable asset. So getting it right should be a priority for you and for your insurance broker. Asking probing questions should dispel the confidence gap and get you on the right track. So the big question is how do you do that? Well, you could ask your current broker to review your existing policies and make recommendations for improvement, or you can work with a new broker like the Coyle Group to do a review and make recommendations for you. When we do a review, here's what we're going to be looking for. Are liability limits sufficient? And is there an umbrella policy to provide extra liability protection over the basic general liability and garage liability coverages? Is the property coverage sufficient for building, business personal property, and business interruption? Do you have controls in place like a fenced-in storage lot? Is the shop alarmed? Do you have a documented hot works program? Do you have a solid MVR policy for your employees? Do you have a key control system, and so forth? More importantly, if you do have these and other safety and risk control programs in place, are you getting credits for them in your policy? Too often, agents and brokers don't ask about these, and available premium credits go unused, and that's a total waste. Then we look at your garage keeper's insurance, protecting your customers' vehicles in your care, custody, and control. Are these limits sufficient? Often, we will see limits selected years ago that don't match the type and value of cars that the shop works on today. In addition, we often see garage keepers on a legal liability form, which means your customers have to sue you to get coverage when their cars are damaged, and that's totally silly. We'll also ask about mechanics E&O insurance. Is that included? This coverage part is often not, and it's critically important to protecting you from mistakes made in the repair of customers' vehicles. We'll also look at other issues like pollution liability, cyber insurance, to be certain you know what it would cost to broaden protection. We're not going to jam these down your throat. We're just going to advise and tell you like it is. We're also going to look at your prior year's premium audits to be certain that payroll and sales figures are accurate. Too often, we see garages overpaying each year only to get a refund on audit, and that makes no sense. Why overpay the insurance company each year? Keep the money in your pocket and pay only if you exceed the sales and payroll targets that you give them at the beginning of the year. Next, are deductibles in line? Could there be some savings found there by taking a bit more risk and increasing your deductibles? Finally, is your broker conducting reviews each year with you to be certain that your exposures and coverages are aligned and that your policy pricing is solid? This is the biggest problem we see. Neglect. Neglect doesn't have to happen, and fixing it doesn't need to take a lot of your time to get it right. If you feel like your business insurance has been neglected by you or your broker and you're concerned that you're not getting the best value, then let's take a few minutes today contact us and arrange a time to chat. Our process for fixing that neglect and making sure your protection is up to date and well priced won't take a lot of your time or effort. It starts with analyzing your current policies, so dig them up out of your inbox or your filing cabinet and let's get started. If you have a great deal that's aligned with your risks, we're going to tell you that. If it's not, we'll show you how to fix it. It's pretty simple actually, because we do it every day. Don't hesitate if this is something that's been on your mind, and hit that contact us or get insured button now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button so more business owners like you get a chance to watch this. Thanks.